Silver Aston Martin 177 on Coral Bay Drive.
Suspect is ignoring any attempted contact, moving in for pit maneuver.
Confirmed. Move in.
Central, suspect has swerved off-road and is driving blind, requesting pursuit assistance.
Affirmative patrol. Interceptor assistance en route. Suspect is headed off-road onto the trails. EMP activated, acquiring target lock. All units, weapon systems are down. Suspect is using a jammer. You got it. Roadblock in position ahead. All units, weapon systems are down.
This is Roadblock Patrol. We are on scene and standing by. Over.
That's confirmed. Your roadblock is in position.
Driver involved in attempted with police roadblock. All units move in.
Suspect is out of range. EMP lock-on failed. All units, we are reading a disruption to the communication system. Please confirm system operations.
Suspect's vehicle has sustained.
Suspect is headed off-road onto the trails. All units, we are detecting a power surge from the suspect. Suspect vehicles have been stopped. Good job, officer.